In the battle to slow down the sweep of COVID-19, one can never have enough of personal protective equipment, with the number of positive cases doubling every 3 days and supplies running out immediately after replenishment. And the first tranche of PPEs bought from China is now here at home, days after some 57,000 test kits and 500,000 face masks, care of Alibaba founder and owner, arrived days ago and are currently in distribution. PTV's Kenneth Paciente has more.
The first batch of personal protective equipment from China has arrived in the country. The medical supplies were on board a PAF C-130 aircraft that landed in Villamor Air Base in Pasay City last night. One by one, the boxes were unloaded down from the aircraft and were carefully disinfected. These were approximately 15,000 sets of PPEs that include gloves and 95 masks, surgical masks, goggles, among others. These will be distributed immediately according to the Department of Health, but those COVID-19 zone hospitals will be prioritized.
Meron tayong sa mga hospital na mga COVID zone, yun yung gagamit ng complete set. So may mga ibang ward naman na hindi naman COVID zone, hindi sila gagamit nito. So mask lang sila. Pero may mga COVID zone kasi na they're required to use the complete set of PPE.
The DOH added that this is part of the 1.8 billion pesos government-to-government procurement between the Philippines and China. The next flight of the Philippine Air Force will be tomorrow to get the additional PPEs, which according to the DOH have a total of 1 million sets and will be completed until April 6.
This will be distributed to all public and private hospitals in the country. So this will be the first tranche of the PPEs.
On the other hand, the target date can be reached according to PAF because they are making sure that aircrafts and crew members are in good condition. However, the PAF sees to it that they follow strict protocols when it comes to flying to and from the other countries.
Yung mga pilots and crews natin, immediately after nalipad nila galing from China, automatic, hindi lang China, other parts, siguro kung saan man sila kukuha ng mga PPEs or anumang items. Pagdating na dito, quarantine sila. So, lahat ng pilots and crews natin, naka-stay lang sila sa isang area, sa isang billeting facilities ng PAF. Doon lang muna sila.
Kenneth Paciente for The Nation.